Thank you for visiting our channel. Today I came out to review and also quick unbox this brand new power strip. It's called SS30. It's done by a company called Teckin. You can see that the smart power strip is designed very nicely, and going on the back it has some information there which we will cover in this video. So once we take the plastic off and we open the box itself, they put it really nicely, and once we take everything out, the components that are part of this is the user manual, which has a lot of information in regards to how you can connect everything together. And also this is not only going to just work with an app, but also it's going to work with Amazon Alexa and also Google Assistants. Yes. Alright, so we're going to put the user manual aside, and also we're going to take the power adapter. You can see that it is really nicely designed. It has all the components that you're looking for in a front, and also stickers in a back, and also some legs, so that way it's not going to move if you put it on your table. This is very cool. It has 4 power plugs in a front, which is created for Canada and United States. It does take 120 volt, which will be output, and also it has 4 USB 2.0 connections, which will provide 5 volt and 2.1 amp. This way, if you want your phone or tablet to be fast charged, this will do the job for you perfectly. You do have a power button that you can turn on or turn off by just pressing it, except that this is how you're going to be able to program it on your device. So let's go next. It does have some little indicators, so that way when it is on or off, it will be turned on and off. So this way you know which plug is on, which plug is off. Let's go through it, and this is how you're going to be able to connect. So in order to connect this to the phone itself is very easy. You just have to hold this for a couple of seconds, so that way you're going to be able to see this blinking. There you go. So once this is on a search, and then make sure that your Wi-Fi is connected under 2.4G network. It's not going to work on 5G network. So once that is done, we will go home, and then we're going to launch something called Smart Life app. You can get this from Google Play Store, and also it is going to be available in the user manual. If you have the QR reader, you can read it and automatically takes you to the website so you can install it. So once you are here, it says add device. So while going through this also requires for you to log in, and yes, it is free for you to log in, so you can use your account, and once it has been verified, it takes a couple of seconds for you to set it up, and then very easily you can pair this with your internet. So make sure it's on a pairing mode, which we already done that, and then we will go into our sockets. So we will select it, and then it says to make sure that is blinking, which it is, and we are not that far from it. And then once it says confirm rapidly, we will click this, and then it will tell you to make sure that you are connected to your 2G network, and make sure you enter your password. And then to confirm, we will select, and then it will take a couple of seconds for it to click on this, so that way it will be able to install and you will be able to use. It will take a couple of seconds for it to go through, and once it is connected, there you go, this is still, and then it will go very rapidly fast going through to set this up. So we're just waiting for that to happen, and it is almost there. There you go. Now once this part is done, it will tell you to name it. So I will leave it the same. I'm not going to rename it anything. And then once it says operation successful, we click done, and we are set up. So we should be able to see some settings here that it will show you everything on this. So you can see that it has switch 1 till switch 4, and that's where you're going to see all these 4 of them here, and then also have 1 for USB. So you cannot control each one of these separately, but you can connect all of them together, so this way it is going to work or not work. You can turn it all off or turn it all. When you turn it off, it's red. So, or you can also turn it all on. So this way it is all going to work together, or you're going to be able to personally just click one off and then click the second one off. And once you do that, you will hear a little clicking noise. This way it is going to be connected, and you're going to be able to maneuver and select certain ones to be on or off. I have to mention that they have its own indicators, which I already talked about, but here you go, this is how it is done. The wire on this is about 1 meter long, so that way it will be able to reach, if you put it on your table, in the bottom and also it's going to be able to connect it to the wall or on the power socket. It's very nicely created. You can see that the light is really effective, so this way you want to turn it on, leave it on, or you want to leave it off. We would recommend everybody to purchase this. This is very inexpensive. Links will be available where you can order it from at the bottom of this video. Except that, I hope you guys like our video. If you do like it, click the like button, subscribe button on the top, comment in the bottom. Always remember to visit our own website, which is xctech.info. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and other social networking places, and thank you.